The bumping and banging of dirt track racing creates a lot of damage on these race cars from time to time. We're here with Brian from Performance Bodies. The new fab, or the new hot thing right now, is plastic bodies. You want to tell us about that just a bit?
It is. It is. Carl and the group over at 5 Star, they developed a new plastic body for the modifieds. We have the door and a quarter panel. It's made out of a high molded plastic. It is. We got it on the right side. We got left sides. We got red, black, white, blue, gray. They've been extremely durable. We've got some teams that have got 20 nights on a set of door and quarters. Way more than what they were getting out of aluminum.
Tell us about the price point compared to aluminum, and over time the longevity of not having to bang on those doors after an aluminum panel after a race program. Tell us about the price point and how that kind of falls in line.
Yeah, see, like a sheet of aluminum right now is upwards of $160 for a sheet of aluminum. You can put a side on a car for about $150. You're gonna get, like I said, guys out there getting 20 nights on this where they're putting, 2 sets of bodies, 2 sets or sides on the car. And the work in the pits is a big part of it. A lot of guys like Todd Shoup just had an accident on Saturday night, folded the right side door in. He just drilled it off, laid it out in the sun, put it back on the car, good to go.
In all your time of doing dirt track racing, did you ever think that plastic bodies would be something that we see?
Honestly, I did not. I didn't, but I think it is the wave. We started it with the late models a couple of years ago. Carl at 5 Star did a great job with coming out with some new late model stuff, and then we just took it over to the modified stuff, and it's been working great. It's saving a lot of time.
Shoot it to us straight. What's the biggest knock on it? What's the biggest downfall of a plastic body?
The biggest downfall, you've got to watch it when you're putting your vinyl on. We have a 3M plastic adhesive that you got to do something to prep it. The prepping on it takes a little bit longer than it would aluminum to put a wrap on there. But other than that, you prep it, the vinyl is going to stay. That would be the only downfall, I would say.
If we want to make the transition from the normal sheet metal onto plastic, where can we find you?
Go on our website, performancebodies.com, or go ahead and give us a call, 319-277-2066.
We appreciate you, man. Thanks for your time here today. I didn't think that we'd ever see plastic bodies in dirt track racing. It's officially here.
It is here. It is here.